Did you know the biggest cash heist in American history started with a Lufthansa cargo worker drowning in gambling debts? December 11, 1978, JFK Airport. Louis Werner had given Jimmy Burke everything he needed: security codes, delivery schedules, guard rotations. The inside information was perfect. At 3 a.m., 6 masked gunmen stormed the Lufthansa cargo building. For 64 minutes, they held 10 terrified employees at gunpoint while loading $6 million in cash and jewelry into waiting vans. The heist was flawless. But then, the real nightmare began. Burke became obsessed with eliminating witnesses. One by one, his own crew started disappearing. Tommy DeSimone vanished without a trace. Stax Edwards died in a suspicious car accident. Anyone connected to the robbery wound up dead. The most successful heist in history had become a death sentence for everyone involved. Burke was eventually convicted for the murders, but the money was never found. Sometimes the biggest score comes with the deadliest price.